The main goal of this video is to illustrate the new texture mapping features in Speos 4NX 2017 version. It permits to improve the global rendering of Speos result. Applying image texture, bump map, and the possibility to overlap several textures as layers to make a multi-texture. In the texture mapping feature, you have to set several parameters to create your own texture as you want. First of all, you have to select geometries that you want the texture on. Several types of geometries can be selected: surfaces, outer surface of bodies, or faces. Then you have to define application method for the first texture, the mapping type, the normal and the top direction for texture projection. Then you select texture image in color or grayscale. You can define the size and the repeatability of the image texture. You can define the bump mapping using the same process. It is possible to apply the same mapping properties than the image texture, or not. The bump mapping will modify locally the normal of the surface. Here, you have the association of texture image and bump, and you can see in the viewer the mapping on the geometry. You can apply surface optical properties. For example, a BRDF measurement made with the OMS2. The first texture is now set, with grayscale image, bump, and red fabric BRDF. You can now create a second layer. This one will be added on top of it. The second image textures has to have transparency area to let information going on the first layer. You define the second layer in the same way than the first one. The second layer is now defined as a black fabric. You validate the feature mapping and you activate the texture to the simulation. Now you can launch the simulation. The result appears and you are able to evaluate the styling for the material texturing just created before. There are other types of applications for texture mapping. For example, transparent sticker application.